We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Dear students, today we learn about page replacement. So in this session we learn what is page replacement, why we need page replacement and page replacement algorithm. So now we start from the what is page replacement. So we know that if any process wants to execute, so first it will be loaded into the main memory. So as an example, this is a process P1 and this one is a main memory. Main memory is also called as physical memory. So here the process P1 which reside in a secondary memory, or we can say hard disk. So here process P1 wants to execute, then first it will be loaded into the main memory, and we know the size of main memory, that is a finite size. So if sometimes the process P1 have a larger size than the main memory, so what will happen? So for that we have to divide the process into equal size partition, that is called the pages. So if the CPU needs only the page number 2, then we have to load only this portion of the page load into the main memory. But if CPU needs the page number 3 and page number 3 is not loaded into the main memory, so what is this? That is called the page fold. So what is a page fold? Page fold means if CPU need some page which is not available in main memory. Here the page 2 which is already loaded in the main memory. So if CPU wants page 2 and if it is already available in main memory, so that is called the demand paging. Means it is demand by the CPU. CPU needs page number 2 and it is already in main memory. That is called demand paging. And the page fold means what? If CPU needed page number 3 and it is not available in main memory, so that is called the page fold. If main memory is full and CPU needs the page number 3, then what will happen? We have to remove any page from the main memory and replace it with the page number 3. So how can we remove the page, any page? So that is a one criteria, and that is we have to use page replacement algorithms. So there are 3 page replacement algorithms. The first one is FIFO, the second one is LRU, and the third one is optimal page replacement algorithm. So today we will learn about the FIFO algorithm, that is first in, first out. Okay, so take one example of FIFO. Here the reference string is given to you and the frame size is 3. Here 3 frames are available in a main memory. So it can be divided into 3 parts, that is first frame, second frame and the third frame. So now here we have to check the first page number, reference string, or we can say page number 3. So we have to check page number 3 is available in main memory? No. So this one is a page fold. I already told you, if needed page is not available in main memory, then it is called the page fold. So first page 3 is not available in main memory, and then we have to check is there any space in a main memory. Here all these 3 frames are empty. So we have to put the page number 3 in a frame 1. And this one is crossed. This one we can say is a page fold, or we can say this one is a miss, because page is missing in a main memory. Now take the second page, page number 2. Again we have to check page number 2 is available in a main memory? No. But first frame is full, that is 3. Now, so the page number 2 is going to the frame 2. Again the page number 2 is not available in memory, so this is a second page fold. Now take the next page. It is not available in main memory, so page fold occur and it will be going to the frame 3. So now this is a page number 3 and we have to check page 3 is already available in main memory. So this is not a page fault. We can say it's a heat. This is a heat. So that is a 3, 2, 1 because 3 is already available in main memory. Now next, that is a page number 4. We have to check page number 4 is available in main memory or not. So here we can say page number 4 is not available in main memory. So now the algorithm name is first in first out. So now we have to check 3, 2, 1 among these 3 numbers or among these 3 page number, which one is first in. So we can replace it with by this. We have to check page 3, that is first in, then 2 and 1. So we can see here the first page number 3 that will be in. So we can replace it with the page number 3. So what is the page number 4? So here the page number 4 which can be replaced by the page number 3. So the next string, that is a 4, 2, 1. And this one page number 4 is not available in memory. So it's again a page fault. Now next, that is a page number 1. We can see here the page number 1 is already available in memory. So this one is a hit and it is a same with 4, 2, 1. The next page number, that is a 6. So now again we have to check the page number 4 is not available in memory. So this one is a page fault and we have to check 4 which can be in. This is a last, then 2 here and the 1. So we can see here which page number is first in page number 2. So simply we have to replace the 6 with the page number 2. So the next is 4, 6, 1. Then after the next page is 2. Page 2 is not available in main memory. So it's again a page fault. Then same way we have to check 4, 6, 1. So 4 is here. This is a 6 and the 1. So which one is 4, 6, 1? So which one is first in? We can see here the first page number is in. So we have to replace it with the page number 1. So the string is 4, 6, 2. Next, page number 4. Page number 4 is already available in main memory. So this one is hit. And the same way 4, 6, 2. The next page is 3. The page 3 is not available in main memory. So we have to again check 4, that is last in, that is this space. Then 6 this way and 2. So which one is first in? 4, 6, 2. The first in, that is a 4. So we have to replace the page number 3 by 4. So that is a 3, 6, 2 and it's a page 4. Now the next is page number 4. Now page number 4 is not available in main memory. So this is again a page fault and we have to check 3, then 6, 3, 6 and 2. So first in, that is a 6. So we have to replace the 4 with the 6. 3, 4, 2. Now the next page 2 is already available in main memory. So this one is a hit and it is same as 3, 4, 2. Next page number 1. Page number 1 is not available in main memory. So again we have to check which one is a first in. 3, 4 and that is a 2. So first in, that is a 2. So we have replaced the 1 with 2. Sorry, this is a 1. So the next 3, 4, 1 and this one is a page 4 because 1 is not available in main memory. The next page number 4. We can see here the page number 4 is already in main memory. So it's the same as 3, 4, 1 and this one is hit. Next page number 5. Page number 5 is not available in memory. So it's a page 4. So same way 3, then 4 and the 1. So which one is first in? 3. So we can replace the 5 with 3 and the answer is 5, 4, 1. Next page is 2. We can see page 5, 4, 1. So page 2 is not available in main memory. So same way we have to find 5, 4 and 1. So which one is first in? 4. So we have to replace the 2 with the 4. So the answer is, this is a 5, 2 and 1. This one is 5. 5, 2, 1 and it's a page 4 because 2 is not available. Now 1. We can see the 1 which is already available in main memory. So this one is hit. 5, 2, 1. Now the next page is 3. We can see here the 3 is not available. So it's again a page 4 and we have to check 5 last in, then 2 and this one is a 1. So first in, that is a 1. So we replace 3 by 1. So the answer is 5, 2, 3. And the last page, that is a 4. We can see here the page 4 is also not available in main memory. So it's again a page 4, and we have to check which one is first in. 5, then 2, and this one is 3. So 5. So we have to replace it with the page number 5. So it's a 4, 2 and 3. So here the cross sign. These are the number of page folds. Page fold means what? The needed page is not available in main memory. That is called the page fold. So how many page fold that will be occur in a FIFO algorithm? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So page fold, total page fold are occur in this algorithm or in this example, that is 13. And how many miss? We can also find the miss ratio. That is a correct sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total miss are 6. So how can we find the miss ratio? 6 divided by total number of page folds plus hit. So that is 13 plus 6, so that are 19. So we can find the miss ratio by 6 divided by 19, and same way we can find the page fold ratio, or we can say, sorry, this one is a hit ratio. And we can find same way miss ratio or page fold ratio 13 by 19. Thank you.